This is gonna blow your mind. Hi everyone! I'm so excited to take you on a journey that blends travel with something I'm really passionate about: health supplements. Imagine this: you're on vacation, relaxing and soaking in new experiences, but you're also learning something incredibly valuable about your health. Sounds perfect, right? So, what if I told you that your next trip could include exploring exotic locations and gaining a deeper understanding of vitamins, minerals, and herbal supplements? We're talking about a vacation package like no other, where wellness meets wanderlust. Here's how it works. You'll visit stunning destinations while participating in interactive workshops led by healthcare professionals. These aren't your typical sleepy seminars. They're engaging and full of practical tips. You'll get to create a personalized supplement plan that suits your lifestyle and health goals. But that's not all. Ever wondered how supplements are made? Well, you'll get an exclusive tour of supplement manufacturing facilities. It's one thing to take vitamins, but it's another to see the science and care that goes into making them. Why is this important, you ask? There's a lot of confusion and myths around supplements. Some people believe they can cure everything, while others think they're completely unnecessary. In these workshops, we'll dive into the scientific facts, debunk the myths, and show you how to use supplements smartly and safely. And guess what? Every piece of information you gather will empower you to make informed decisions about your health long after your vacation ends. We want you to leave not just refreshed, but also enriched with knowledge that benefits your everyday life. Now, if you're as excited about this as I am, don't forget to check the links in the description below for more testimonials and expert insights. And yes, there's more detailed info and some sweet bonuses waiting for you on our website. Before you go, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Join our community for more amazing content like this. Also, follow us on social media to stay updated on all our adventures and offers. Thank you for watching, and remember, your journey to health doesn't have to pause while you're on vacation. With Supplement Smart Vacations, you can stay informed, stay healthy, and keep exploring. See you next time.